In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva website template to Google Sites. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Head over to the Canva homepage by opening your favorite web browser and typing in, you guessed it, canva.com. Once the Canva homepage loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where the magic starts to happen. Type in the word website and press enter. Canva will present you with a variety of templates to choose from. These are pre-designed and serve as a great starting point for your project. Browse through the selection and pick a template that catches your eye. Don't worry too much about the details right now because you can customize it to your liking in the next steps. Once you've chosen your template, click on Customize this template. This will open up the template in the Canva editor. Here you can modify text, change colors, and add images to suit your needs. Take your time to get everything just right. Canva is quite intuitive, so feel free to experiment with different design options until you feel that your website looks perfect. Now, with your masterpiece ready, it's time to move on to sharing and embedding. In the top right corner of the editor, you'll notice a Share button. Click on it. A menu will appear with multiple options. You want to click on See All. Next, select Embed from this list. Another click on Embed will provide you with an embed code. Copy this code by clicking the Copy button, which will be right next to the code. Having your code ready, head over to your Google site. Log into your Google account and navigate to Google Sites. If you haven't created a site yet, go ahead and make one. It's pretty straightforward. Once inside your Google site, look for the Embed option, typically found in the sidebar or under an Insert menu, and click it. In the options that appear, you will see something like Embed URL and Embed Code. Choose Embed Code for our task. In the space provided, paste the embed code that you previously copied from Canva. Be sure only to paste the code and not alter anything there. After you've pasted the code, hit Next. You'll get a preview of how your Canva design will look on your Google site. If everything seems in order, click Insert to add the template to your site. Just like that, you've successfully added a Canva website template to your Google site. It's a straightforward process that allows you to leverage Canva's design capabilities within your Google site framework. Feel free to tweak things further until you're completely satisfied with the result. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.